Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my Walgreens couponing haul for the week of January 19th to January 25th. So I did a total of 5 different transactions at Walgreens, and I have to say Walgreens is on fire this week. So I had a spend 20, get 5,000 points from last week, the Catalina booster, and I also in my account had a spend 20, get 5,000 points. So both of those are stacking, and I used those towards my third transaction. So I ended last week with 20,991 points. My main goal was to change those points into register rewards. So I definitely did the Revlon deal, which is super hot this week. And when you buy Revlon products, this coupon is printing out right here of $5 off your next purchase of any Almay or Revlon lip product. So that is a really good coupon to have, and it's a manufacturer's coupon. So for the first and second transaction, I basically did Revlon to get two $10 register rewards. And then I rolled those $10 in register rewards for this deal right here. So the register rewards were basically to lower my out-of-pocket and build up more points. And then for this transaction here, I basically used a $10 register reward that I got back from these 2 lip products for Revlon, which I used 2 of these coupons on. So let's jump right into this. So for the first transaction, I picked up these 2 Revlon eyeliners. So again, Revlon this week is spend 15, get a $10 register reward. And I had a $5 from last week, a $5 register reward from the Scott paper towel deal. So I picked up 2 of the Color Stay eyeliners for $8.79 each, making them $17.58. I used that buy one get one free coupon that took off $8.79 from our 1.5 Smart Source, making the total $8.79, but you're gonna get back a $10 register reward. So this worked out to be free plus a $1.21 moneymaker. So the total worked out to $8.79. I used that $5 register reward that I got back last week, making the total $3.79 plus tax. Now to use the $5 register reward, I didn't need a filler item because I bought a total of 2 items and I only used 1 manufacturer coupon. So I was able to use that $5 register reward because remember guys, you need to attach the register reward to an item. So I used 5,000 points for this because the total was 502 plus tax. You can use points for this deal because it's a $10 register reward we're getting back. We're not getting back 10,000 points. So my total worked out to 2 cents and I got back a $10 register reward. So for the second transaction, I did the Revlon deal again. This time adding a Palmolive so I can reach $10 so I can redeem 10,000 points. And once I finished the first transaction, I got another booster for spend 20, get 5,000 points. And I got back the $5 off next purchase for Revlon and Almay lip products. And I used those towards another transaction. So I got one for that one. And now I'm going to get another one for this one. So adding the Palmolive, I wanted to redeem 10,000 points. If I only would have did the Revlon deal alone, that would be $8.99. Are we only able to roll 5,000 points, paying $3.99 out of pocket. So I picked up 2 of the volumizing mascaras for $8.99 each, making them $17.98. I used that buy one get one free coupon that took off $8.99, making the total $8.99, but you're gonna get back a $10 register reward. So this worked out to be free plus a $1.01 moneymaker. Palmolive this week is on sale for $1.99. I used a 50-cent off from our Walgreens digital coupons, making the total $1.49. So make sure you send that digital coupon to your account before you go shopping. So the total for this was $10.48. I used 10,000 points to pay for it, which is equivalent to $10, making the total 48 cents, and I got back a $10 register reward. Now for my third transaction, I will be using those 2 $10 register rewards that I got back from the first and the second transaction. I only need 2142 to hit beauty, so I'm going to hit beauty in the third transaction. I'm using the Spend 20 Get 5,000 Points Catalina Booster, as well as the Spend 20 Get 5,000 Points app booster. So for this, I'm not going to use points to pay, but I'm using my register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket. And it has to be $20 before coupons and after any Walgreens coupons. So on the right side, I'm going to show you guys $20 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. And on the left side is going to be everything that I bought. Okay, so the first items I bought are the soft soap and the Irish Spring body wash. So I picked up these four right here. So these are buy two, get 5,000 points, and they're on sale for $3.99. I picked up four of them for $15.96. I used 3 of the 75-cent off 1 coupons from our 119 Smart Source. Now, the reason why I used only 3 coupons is because I wanted to roll those $10 in register rewards. So I didn't want to add any filler items. So I sacrificed the coupon in order to use the $10 in register rewards. And I wanted my total at the end to be exactly $20 before tax so I can use 2 $10 register rewards. So basically, I have 1 filler item already to use that $10 in register rewards. So the total worked out to $13.71, but you're going to get back 10,000 points. So it worked out to $3.71 for all of them, or 92 cents each. And $15.96 is counting towards the $20 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. The next items I bought are the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. So I picked up these 2 right here. These are on sale this week too for $8. I used the 4 for 2 coupon from our 119 RMN. And I also used the $2 off too from the IBC booklet. So that's a little booklet that's found in front of the store. Those are considered Walgreens coupons. So the fact that we're using a Walgreens coupon, that doesn't count towards the $20 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So you have to deduct the $2 from the $8. So after the 2 off of 2, the total works out to $2 or $1 each. And only $6 is counting towards the $20 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons, because you have to do 8 minus 2, the IBC booklet, and you get $6. Now the next items I bought are the Palmolive 20 ounce. So I picked up these 2 right here. Again, these are on sale for $1.99. I bought 2 of them for $3.98. I used 2 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons from our 119 Smart Source, making the total $2.98. And $3.98 is counting towards the $20 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. Okay, so the last item I picked up in this transaction is going to be the Speed Stick. They're on sale for $1.99. So I picked up this one right here. So I used a 50-cent off 1 coupon from our 119 Smart Source, making the total $1.49. And $1.99 is counting towards the $20 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So the total is going to be $27.93, and I had a total of 9 items. So I used a total of 7 manufacturer coupons, and I want to use 2 of the $10 register rewards. Now I have the items to cover those 2 $10 register rewards. So the total before coupons is going to be $29.73. The L'Oreal IBC booklet took off $2. So the total after Walgreens coupons is going to be $27.93. So there you go. We went way over the $20 mark that we had to spend before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So I had a total of 7 manufacturers coupons, and those were $7.75 in total. So $27.93 minus $7.75 makes the total $20.18. So that's where I wanted to be before tax in order for me to use my 2 $10 register rewards. Remember, guys, we had a total of 9 items, and I only used 7 manufacturers coupons. So I do not need a filler item in order to use my 2 $10 register rewards. So the total worked out to 18 cents, but you're going to get back 10,000 points for the Irish Spring and soft soap. You get back 5,000 points for the Catalina booster, 5,000 points for the app booster. I hit beauty, so I got back 5,000 points for beauty. Now, I only needed 2142 to hit beauty. I had a total of $21.96 in beauty items within the transaction. So the total worked out to 25,000 points that I got back, which is equivalent to $25. So $25 I got back, and I only spent 18 cents out of pocket. So it makes it free plus a $24.82 moneymaker. So again, no filler items were needed because I had a total of 9 items and 9 manufacturer coupons. So I had a total of 7 insert coupons and 2 register rewards. Remember guys, register rewards counts as manufacturer's coupons. Okay, so for my 4th transaction, I used 2 of the $5 off Revlon Lip Catalina coupons. So I used 2 of these right here. Remember guys, these are manufacturer's coupons. So I picked up these 2 Revlon lipsticks right here. So I picked up the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. So again, spend $15, get a $10 register reward. I picked up 2 of them for $8.29 each, making them $16.58. I used 2 of those $5 off Revlon Lip Catalinas, and they went through with no issues, making the total $6.58. But you're going to get back a $10 register reward. So it worked out to be free plus a $3.42 moneymaker. Now, the total for this was $6.58. I wrote 5,000 points into this, making the total $1.58. And I got back $10 in register rewards. Now, for my last transaction, I got that $10 in register rewards and rolled it into my 5th transaction. So I picked up 6 of the Arm & Hammers right here. So these are buy 1, get 2 free. So I picked up 2 of them for $6.99 each, making them $13.98. I picked up 4 of them for free. So my total worked out to $13.98. I rolled a $10 in register rewards for this, making the total $3.98 plus tax. And my tax was 97 cents, making the total $4.95. I used 4,000 points to pay for this, making my total 95 cents, and you get back nothing for it. So I started the week with 20,991 points, which is equivalent to $20.99. I ended the week with 22,531 points, which is equivalent to $22.53. So I gained a total of 1,540 points. Now I only spent out of pocket $3.21 for all 5 transactions. That's the cash I spent out of pocket. And I'm ending the week with $22.53 in points. So it makes everything here free plus a $19.32 moneymaker. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Again, guys, on the 23rd, we have the beauty event. Make sure you check your app to see if you got the spend 25, get 7,000 points in beauty. Because if you have that one in the app, they're both going to stack with your deals. So make sure you send that to your account before you do the beauty event deals. Okay, guys, and then I also have these 2 spend 20, get 5,000 points. Now, if you got these same coupons, I say if you didn't get the flyer for the beauty event, you could definitely stack this with the spend 25, get 7,000 points beauty event coupon in your app. So make sure you save these just in case you didn't get the flyer for spend 25, get 7,000 points. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.